Welcome to Rome Tech. If you enjoy this type of content, remember to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Today we're exploring OVPN, a VPN provider found at OVPN.com. OVPN distinguishes itself by focusing on robust security and privacy features. They operate a network of servers owned and controlled entirely by themselves, eliminating reliance on third-party data centers. This meticulous approach minimizes potential vulnerabilities and reinforces their commitment to user privacy. A notable aspect of OVPN service is their dedication to transparency. They publish frequent, detailed reports about their infrastructure and security practices, including any challenges they face and how they address them. This open communication builds trust and allows users to make informed decisions about their online privacy. Beyond standard VPN protocols, OVPN incorporates additional safeguards like multi-hop VPN connections and utilizes hardware designed to maximize security. Their no-logging policy is not just a claim, it's backed by an independent audit, providing verifiable proof of their commitment to protecting user data. They champion strong encryption standards and continually adapt their systems to stay ahead of evolving threats. For users concerned about data retention, OVPN provides a robust solution. Beyond the technical details, OVPN focuses on ease of use. Their applications are designed to be intuitive and accessible for both novice and experienced users. Connecting to the VPN is streamlined and hassle-free. While their commitment to security is paramount, they haven't overlooked user experience. OVPN's dedication to privacy and security is evident in every aspect of their service, from their infrastructure to their software. They strive to provide users with a secure and private online experience without compromising usability. Consider exploring their website at ovpn.com for a more comprehensive overview of their features and services. They offer a variety of subscription options to suit different needs and budgets. For anyone prioritizing online privacy and security, OVPN is definitely a provider worth investigating. Remember, safeguarding your online presence is crucial in today's digital landscape.